I'm nervous about this trip.
Why?
I'm meeting with the CFO.
Wow, that would make me nervous too.
What should I pack?
Well, you should definitely bring your laptop and tablet.
I know. What else?
Bring a nice suit.
I don't own a suit.
Well, you better go shopping then. Were you here yesterday?
No, I don't come into the office every day.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I just make sure I work 40 hours a week.
You're so lucky.
I know. My boss gave me a flexible schedule because I am a single parent.
You have a very understanding boss.
I know. I'm very lucky.
I would love to work from home. The traffic to work is terrible.
Maybe you should ask your boss about working a flexible schedule too.
How do you balance your work life and your personal life?
I don't bring my work home.
What do you mean?
Don't do more than you can handle.
What if you have a lot of work to do?
Then I stay at the office and finish it. When I go home, I focus on home only.
I wish I was like you.
Your business trips have earned you enough frequent flyer miles for a free airline ticket.
Really? That's great.
Our company lets their employees use the free airline ticket for personal use.
Wow, I didn't know that.
You should probably use it during your next vacation.
I think I will ask my wife where she wants to go.
Good idea.
Do you have time for lunch?
No, I have a lunch meeting with the boss today.
The boss? Is something wrong?
No, we're going to discuss my raise.
Good luck.
Thanks, I'll need it.
I think the company has finally made a profit.
That's great news.
We're all getting raises and bonuses this year.
That makes me very happy.
Me too. We haven't had raises in 4 years.
We've never had bonuses.
That's right.
If the company is doing well financially, we should definitely receive some benefits.
I agree. We work really hard.
Let's celebrate over drinks after work.
What are you going to do on your business trip?
I'm not sure.
What's the schedule?
I don't know. Our clients haven't sent me anything yet.
You're having a good attitude about it.
I know. I'm trying to be flexible.
Wow, Colleen, you look great.
Thanks. I'm going on a business trip today.
Where are you going?
San Francisco, our corporate headquarters.
Meeting any important people?
Yeah, all of the top management.
Well, you're definitely dressed to impress.
What are you reading?
A book about traveling etiquette in foreign countries.
Why?
I'm going on a business trip next week.
Where are you going?
To one of our offices in Saudi Arabia.
That should be interesting.
Have you been there?
No, I'm scheduled to go next month.
I'm reading about proper etiquette while I'm there.
Give me some tips after you return from your trip.
I need to change my flight departure.
When do you need to go?
I need to leave tomorrow morning.
Can it be a non-direct flight?
I would prefer a direct flight.
There is one direct flight leaving tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. It's $100 more expensive.
I'll take it.
When will you be returning?
Don't change the return flight.
Okay.
I think we should change the vacation policy.
Why?
Other companies have paid vacation. We do not.
We are a small company. We can't afford paid vacations.
Paid vacations would make employees work better.
How?
Give employees good benefits and they will work harder.
You have a point, but we cannot afford it.
This company is never going to grow if we don't take care of our employees.
I agree, but I don't make the rules.
Do we have a company dress code?
Yes, on Mondays through Thursdays, we have to wear business attire.
What about Fridays?
On Fridays, we can dress casually.
What does casual dress mean?
You can wear jeans and t-shirts, but not shorts.
This is the front desk. How can I help you?
This is Janet Lee from room 112.
Hello, Ms. Lee. How can I help you?
I paid for a room with an attached office, but this hotel room has no office.
I'm sorry about that. I will change your room right away.
Great. I'm on a business trip, so an office is important to me.
This office layout is confusing.
I agree.
Our clients have a hard time finding the exit and our offices.
I know. Bill got lost the other day looking for the restroom.
Should we redesign it?
That would be a good idea.
I don't think we have the budget for it,
That's too bad.
but we should do something soon.
I know. The layout looks like a maze.
Hey, Todd. This is Rob. My flight has been delayed. I won't be there on time.
I guess I'll have to do the presentation alone.
Are you prepared to do that?
I have no choice.
Can we postpone the meeting?
No, the clients are catching a flight right after the meeting.
I need to make an emergency trip to our headquarters tonight.
There are no direct flights tonight. There are only non-direct flights.
How many layovers?
There is one layover in San Francisco for an hour.
That's fine. Can you book that flight, please?
Do you need a ride to the airport?
No. I will park my car at the airport. I'm so busy.
Are you done with the report?
No, I've been in meetings all day.
That's why I haven't seen you.
Yeah, I have another meeting at 4 p.m.
Why do you have so many meetings?
The managers are discussing annual employee reviews and raises.
Is it that time of the year?
Yeah, the end of the year is always the busiest.
You're right. It's almost 4 p.m. You'd better go.
Did Catherine have her baby?
Yes, she's on maternity leave right now.
How long will she be gone?
3 months.
That's all? That's so short.
I know. She's sad about it.
Is it paid maternity leave?
Yes.
That's good.
Catherine wants to take an extra month of maternity leave.
I think the company is in trouble.
What kind of trouble?
Financial trouble.
What makes you think that?
I overheard Lou talking about bankruptcy laws.
We can't lose our jobs. I just bought a home.
I really like my work schedule.
Do you work flexible hours?
Yes, I can choose my own hours.
I wish I could work flexible hours.
Why don't you?
I can't. I'm in accounting, so I have to work regular business hours.
Hi, Vicky. This is Isabel. I'm the company's travel coordinator.
Hi, Isabel. Is there a problem?
No, I see that you take quite a few business trips a month.
Yes, I do.
I noticed that you're not signed up for frequent flyer miles.
No, I haven't signed up yet.
Please sign up before your next trip. You can earn miles and get a free trip anywhere in the country.
I didn't know that.
It's easy to sign up. You can do it online.
I will have to do that today since I have another business trip at the end of the week.
When is your business trip?
Tomorrow.
Who are you meeting with tomorrow?
One of the managers, Kevin Johnson. Have you met him?
Yes, he's a nice guy, but he's very disorganized.
That's good to know. Any advice?
Be flexible, because he changes his mind often.
That can be annoying.
Yes, it can, but have a good attitude about it.
Why?
Because he's the CEO's son. Are you on the phone?
Yeah, but I'm on hold.
Do you have time for lunch?
Not right now. I'm trying to get a free upgrade on my rental car.
Are you having any luck?
The rental car agent is talking to her supervisor right now.
How are you negotiating?
I told the agent that our company does a lot of business with this rental company.
You're right, we do.
Kyle, hold on. The agent is back on the phone. I'm planning our company's hospitality event.
What are you doing this year?
We've invited a couple of professional golfers. We're going to do a celebrity golf tournament.
Wow, that's going to be a lot of fun.
I just need to hear back from the golfers.
What if no one accepts the invitation?
Then I am in big trouble.
Is this all the luggage from this flight?
Yes.
I can't find my luggage.
It looks like your luggage is lost.
I need my suitcase. I have a business meeting today and my suit is in it.
I'm very sorry. If we locate it, we will send it to you right away.
I'm a little nervous about this business trip.
Why?
I'm meeting with the vice president of the company. I heard he is a drinker.
So what?
I don't drink at all. I'm afraid he's going to think I'm boring.
Then tell jokes. I heard he likes funny people.
Veronica, when is your baby due?
Next month.
Are you going on maternity leave?
Of course.
How long will you be gone?
3 months. Have you met the company's new CEO?
No, have you?
Yes, she's very nice.
Really? I heard she was very mean.
She asked us a lot of questions about employee happiness and concerns.
I heard if she doesn't like what you say, she will fire you.
Gloria is stressed out.
Why?
The new CTO is visiting our office.
So, what's the big deal?
It's a big deal to Gloria. She's one of the managers.
Gloria is a great boss.
She wants to make a good first impression.
She hasn't met the new CTO yet?
No, this will be her first time meeting him.
No wonder Gloria is nervous.
Do we have a company dress code?
No, the president of the company doesn't care how you dress.
Really? You can wear jeans and t-shirts or shorts?
Yeah, he only cares about the quality of your work.
That's great. We had to wear suits to work every day at my old job.
Even on Fridays?
Yeah, our president was very conservative.
Was that uncomfortable?
Yes, wearing pantyhose every day is very uncomfortable.
I know.
I'm so stressed right now.
Why? Is there something wrong?
I'm so busy at work. I'm forgetting about my personal life.
I understand. That happened to me too.
How do you balance it all out?
I just set a strict schedule. Work is work and home is home.
It's not that easy.
I know. But if you don't do that, you're going to get sick.
I think that's my problem. I feel sick all the time.
What should I bring on this business trip?
Haven't you been on a business trip before?
No, this is my first time.
You should bring your laptop, cell phone, and chargers.
Any other advice?
Bring a carry-on bag only, so you don't have to wait for your luggage.
Lucy, where is Todd?
He's in the conference room. He's been waiting for you.
Could you tell him my flight has been delayed?
He's not going to be happy. He's been waiting for an hour.
My flight isn't leaving for another hour.
Okay, I'll let him know.
Tell him I need to reschedule the meeting.
I don't think I can tell him now.
Why?
He's not there. I think he left.
I'll call him on his cell phone.
Is anyone picking you up at the airport?
No, I'm going to rent a car.
The boss approved your rental car?
Yes, why?
He didn't approve a rental car during my business trip.
I found a great deal for a rental car.
I need to report lost luggage.
I'm very sorry that happened.
What do I need to do?
Please fill out this lost luggage form.
I have very important business papers in my suitcase.
I understand. I am very sorry.
Will you contact me as soon as you find it?
Yes, we will send it to you right away.
I'm staying in a hotel downtown.
We will contact you as soon as we locate your suitcase.
I'm meeting with an architect today.
Why? Are you remodeling your house?
No, we are going to remodel the office.
That's a good idea. The layout is not very good.
I know. Some areas are too small and some are just a waste of space.
I agree. Can I get a bigger office?
Are you ready for the business trip?
Yeah, I'm a little nervous.
Is this your first business trip?
No, I just don't know any of these people. Do you have any advice for me?
Just socialize. Get to know them. Go out for drinks one night.
Actually, 2 of our clients are taking me out for drinks the first night.
Well, that's good. Don't stress about it so much.
I want to make a good first impression.
Then don't get drunk.
What if I get nervous and drink too much?
Then you'll have more things to worry about.
Are you going to the hospitality event?
Yes, I have a few clients attending.
Great. This year we're doing a raffle and gift bags.
Raffle and gift bags? Isn't that a little childish?
The raffle prize is a sports car and the gift bags are filled with jewelry.
Are you serious? Can our company afford this?
The CEO wants to keep our clients happy.
That's definitely going to keep them happy.
It'll probably attract more clients to our company, too.
I'm not happy with my room.
May I ask what is wrong?
I asked for a room with a view. This room has no view.
I'm sorry, but we do not have any more rooms available tonight.
When I made the reservation, I paid for a room with a view.
I understand. I'm very sorry, but all of the rooms are occupied.
This is unacceptable.
We will discount your room rate.
Our company does a lot of business with this hotel. I will be telling my boss about this.
May we offer you a free stay next time? It will be a room with a view. I will guarantee it.
What is the vacation policy?
You earn 1 week of paid vacation after you've been at the company for 1 year.
I've only been here for 9 months, but I would like to take 1 week off next month.
Is it a medical situation?
No, my parents live in Italy, and it's their 50th wedding anniversary.
You can take 1 week off with your supervisor's approval, but it will not be a paid week.